So in the previous question, the fixed part, that is this part, is replaced by a block C. Okay, but the rest of the question remains same. We have to find out the acceleration of block B. We have to find out the acceleration of the block B. So the rest of the equations will remain same. I will use the same equations over here. For block A, F minus F acting on the left hand side, 2t writing on the right hand side. So minus 2t will be equal to 2m into A. For block B, the same tension 3t acts on the left hand side, okay. So it will be equal to 3t will be equal to 4ma. For block C, if I continue, the same tension will act over here. If you see the previous question, I have marked the same tension over here. So T will be equal to m into A. This is for block A, so I will write it as AA, this as AB, and this as AC. Okay, this is block A, so I will write it as AA, AB, and AC. Now I will again use the same fundamental, that is the constraint motion, but over here I have to consider the direction. If you consider the previous question, I have not considered the directions because over there only two blocks were present. So even if you do not consider the direction, the answer will come out to be somewhat to be same. Okay, so now over here I have to consider the direction, that is summation of T into A will be equal to 0. Okay, summation of T into A will be equal to 0. Let us write for the first block. The tension over here acts in the right hand side direction, which I take it as negative. Okay, so minus 2t into acceleration of block A. Okay, for block B, and the acceleration is on the left hand side. Okay, so acceleration is positive and the tension is negative. For block B, the tension is 3t on positive and the acceleration is also positive because it is also on the left hand side. So positive it will be equal to positive 3t acceleration of block B. For block C, the tension is on the right, and if you look at this diagram carefully, the acceleration will also be on the right. So negative will again make positive. It will be equal to positive t into acceleration of block C is equal to 0. Okay, t is negative, acceleration is also negative. When you multiply over here, you will get a positive answer. Now let us first substitute the acceleration of C in terms of B. So over here, if I substitute the value of t, it will be equal to 3 times m into AC is equal to 4 times m into AB. This will be the formula. Okay, so AC will be equal to m and m will get cancelled out. 4 by 3 times AB. Okay, 4 by 3 times AB. Okay, let us calculate over here. So 2t into t and t will get cancelled out over here. So 2AA, t will get cancelled out from the entire equation, plus 3t or 3AB plus 4 by 3 AC, this is negative, is equal to 0. So minus 2AA will be equal to minus of, if I add both of them, it will be 9 plus 4 13 AC, okay, divided by 3, or AA will be AB, not AC, it is equal to AB. I have substituted the value over here already. So over here AA will be equal to 13 by 6 AB. Okay, AA is equal to 13 by 6 AB. Now I will substitute the value over here in the first equation. So F minus 2 times T, instead of T I will substitute, I will write it over here, it will be more clear. F minus 2t, instead of t I will substitute 4ma b divided by 3 is equal to 2 times maa. Okay, that is the acceleration of block A in terms of B. If you see, it is equal to 13 by 6, so it will be equal to 13 by 6 M A B. Okay, 13 by 6 M A B. So F will be equal to, when I add it, it will be equal to M and A B will be common over here. 2, this will be 3s are. So 13 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, 13 by 3 plus 8 by 3. Okay, 13 by 3 plus 8 by 3, which will be 21. So M will be equal to 21 times, F will be equal to 21 times MAB divided by 3, or AB will be equal to 3 times F divided by 21. Okay, so 3 times F divided by 21, or 21 divided 3 times F divided by 21, which is option number B.